welcome back to another episode of Magnificent Must-Sees. I'm your host, and today we have an incredible lineup for you. We're diving into the top 5 most beautiful beaches in the world. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this sandy adventure together. Now, before we reveal our first beach, did you know that the sand on these beaches is so fine that it's been rumored to have magical powers? Stick around, and we'll uncover more about this secret later. But for now, let's jump into our first destination. Destination 1. Bora Bora, located in French Polynesia. So, you think you've seen the bluest blue? Wait till you see Bora Bora's waters. It's like staring into a blueberry smoothie that you can swim in. Just make sure not to take a bite. It's strictly for swimming. We begin our journey in the tropical paradise of Bora Bora, French Polynesia. With its crystal clear turquoise waters, palm-fringed shores, and overwater bungalows, Bora Bora is the epitome of luxury and natural beauty. Fun fact, did you know that the famous Mount Atamanu in the center of the island is actually an extinct volcano? Now that's what I call a breathtaking view. Destination 2. Whitehaven Beach, located in Australia. They say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but have you ever seen a beach sparkle like Whitehaven? It's like Mother Nature went on a sand diamond shopping spree and left them all here for us to enjoy. Our next stop takes us down under to Australia's stunning Whitehaven Beach. With its powdery white sand stretching over 7 kilometers, this beach is a true masterpiece. Fun fact, the sand here is so pure that it's said to be 98% silica, which gives it its bright white color and keeps it cool even on the hottest days. Destination 3. Insus Dargent, located on the Seychelles. They say beauty is hard to find, but Unsus Dargent is like a master of hide-and-seek. You'll be wandering through a tropical paradise, and then suddenly, bam! You stumble upon this beach, and it's like finding a pot of gold at the end of a coconut tree. Heading over to the Seychelles, we find ourselves at Unsus Dargent. This beach is a true hidden gem, known for its picturesque granite boulders, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery. Fun fact, the unique rock formations you see here are the result of years of weathering, making it a photographer's dream come true. Destination 4. Navajo Beach, located in Greece. Ahoy, sailors! I've got a tale to tell about Navajo Beach. It's not just a beach, it's a treasure hunt. Are you looking for gold? Well, you won't find it here, but you can find the legendary treasure of stunning views and salty breezes. Next up, we jet off to Greece to experience the awe-inspiring Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach. Nestled among towering limestone cliffs and only accessible by boat, this beach boasts pristine turquoise waters and the rusting wreck of a smuggler's ship. Fun fact, the shipwreck washed ashore in the 1980 AD, and now it's become an iconic symbol of this extraordinary beach. Destination 5. Turquoise Bay, located in Western Australia. Ready to dive into a world of fishy fashionistas? Turquoise Bay has got the best-dressed fish in town. They wear their scales in all the colors of the rainbow, strutting their stuff like they're on a fashion runway. Move over, Vogue! The fish of Turquoise Bay are the real style icons. Last, but certainly not least, we find ourselves in Western Australia at the mesmerizing Turquoise Bay. As the name suggests, this beach is renowned for its vibrant turquoise waters teeming with colorful marine life, making it a snorkeler's paradise. Fun fact, Turquoise Bay is part of the Ningaloo Reef, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its diverse coral formations. And there you have it, folks, the top 5 most beautiful beaches in the world. From the luxury of Bora Bora to the underwater wonderland of Turquoise Bay, these beaches are truly breathtaking. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible destinations, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our magnificent must-sees. And remember, life is short, so let's explore the world, one beach at a time.